We all know somebody. In times of pain, when the world feels uncertain, we long for connection. Lingering wounds weave into our days as we search for ways to heal and rediscover hope again. We are drawn to places that embrace us, where love, light, and togetherness bloom. The Human Solidarity Project offers a safe space, a gentle invitation to connect, heal, and remember our shared strength. Through this immersive experience, step into a room and find your breath, reminding us that we all breathe the same air. We've created an immersive, multisensory, tactile experience inspired by nature's beauty and wisdom. Each element speaks to the senses, through the softness of touch, the glow of light, the gentle sound of water, inviting us to reconnect, both with ourselves and with those around us, reminding us that on this shared journey, we are never alone.